Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to create an online banking website. That's a online banking website. So this website have various features. It's a complete banking website. I think this is the best banking website you will find anywhere. So it has different features. Also it has this light and dark theme stuff. So this is the light theme and this is the dark theme. As you can see, it's very beautiful, not just beautiful, and it's also very responsive, very responsive. So let's just do this. As you can see, it's very responsive. So in the mobile view, it's very good. You get. So it has different features. Like I said, what we'll be doing in this segment, we'll be exploring the features that this banking website has. We'll be exploring some of the features it has, and also later on I'll show you how to build this kind of website for your personal use. So before we go straight up to the overview of the website and teaching you or learning how to build this banking website, I would love to drop the disclaimer that this video is strictly for educational purpose. It's for you to learn how to create something amazing and something beautiful. So that's the essence of this very tutorial. So currently I've logged into a user already, so that's why you're seeing the dashboard here. So that's why you have this dashboard here, because currently I'm logged into a user. So if I log out now, it will be showing login instead of what let me just log out so I can show you what I mean. So as you can see, I've logged out from that user's account. So I prefer the dark theme because I prefer the dark theme, so that's why I've changed it to dark. But this is the lights and this is the dark theme. So let me just log into this user. As password, you can just log in. So okay, this is the user. So meanwhile, you can create a new account if so let me just show you how to do that. You can also create a new account, but I don't want to go through the stress of creating a new account. Actually, that's why I just logged into. So this is where you create the new account from, but I don't create a new account. I want just to use the already existing account. I think it's so this is what the user dashboard. This is the user dashboard. So as you can see, it has your loan. It has where you can add your money, you can send money. So let's say you want to add a certain amount, just click on add. So the thing is, everything on this website is basically controlled by the admin. So the admin have full access or full control over whatever thing is going on the website. So I can deposit using Bitcoin. So the thing is, this payment gateway was set by the admin. So the admin has the privileges of setting various payment gateway that he or she wants the site to have. So you can have the BTC, then put a certain amount. As you can see, it has the minimum and the maximum deposit. Then you go put your receipt. So let me just put a random picture here. Then after that, I proceed to payment. As you can see, deposit pending. So it's pending. Why? Because the admin has to approve this deposit. So let's go to the admin part. So I've already logged into the admin here. I've logged into the admin. So I've logged into the admin already. So this is basically the admin dashboard. As you can see, one deposit. You get one deposit. So it's the website is built in a way whereby if you have anything very important that you have to address to as the admin, you can just see it here. As you can see, we have 3 fund transfer and 1 deposit that we will have to attend to because that was important. So let's attend to the deposit first. So you can see this is the deposit we just did. So what we're doing next is we'll be accepting this deposit, so the amount can be added to the user's account. So how do we do so? We've come to this manual deposit place. That's the pending deposit. All we have to just view. So we have the option of either accepting, that's approving, or rejecting it with a message. It depends on what you want. So you can put a message here if you want to. You can as well just leave the message blank. So you just click on approve. So once you approve it, if you come back to the user now and you go back to the dashboard, you see it has what be added to the user's balance. So that's what the deposit aspect. So let's see how to actually send fund. So the send fund had various options. It has that's interbank transfer, that's home bank. So for you to do this home bank, you have to create a beneficiary first. Then for these other banks, as you can see here, you have Bank of America. So this Bank of America was created by the admin. So the idea is the admin actually can add as many bank as they want. That's as many bank as possible based on their preference. So we come back to the admin now. You come down to a deposit. So for this deposit, you can actually set the deposit method that you want. We have the automatic deposit, so these ones are deactivated. You can also add more deposit method. Let me just explain deposit method before we go to withdrawal. Sorry, sending funds, actually not withdrawal, sending money. So you can add as many deposit method that you want. As you can see, we have various payment gateway here. So after adding, then you can also do their setup to set up this payment gateway. We'll go to setting up payment gateways shortly, but before we go there, let me just explain this manual method. So once you come here, the next we are going to do is you're going to click on this add method to add the manual method of deposits that you want. So you can just click on an image. Let me go here and let me see if I have an image. Let me just use this image. Call this transfer, bank transfer. Okay. Let's call this so you can just set up these things based on how you want them. You can add let's say you want the receipts, you can add different options if you want, but let's just leave one. Let's do something like this. After payments, upload deposit receipts and save. As you can see, what has what's been added. So basically the admin can add as many deposit methods that they want. So that's that for deposit. Then for the withdrawal, if you come to withdrawal, you also have the withdrawal method. As you can see, you have different withdrawal. You can actually add your withdrawal method just like your deposits also. So I was saying something before. Okay, so I was talking about the banks. So the admin also can set as many banks as they want. So let's go to the transfer now. So for the transfer, that's where we are going to add the banks. You can look at it here. Transfer. So you can see the wire transfer. So this one, you are going to see the current wire transfer that has been made, so you can process it as you will. So for the banks, you can come to other banks and not other banks here, and add as many banks as possible. So currently I just added just that BOA, Bank of America, just this bank. So the admin can add as many banks as possible. So that's that for that. So if you also come down, you also have other settings like your email SNTP to send emails on the website. So you have the site settings, or you can change the name of the website, and so on and so forth. So you can choose to disable verification or enable verification. As you can see, KYC verification is enable currently. You can choose to disable it if you want to. Also two-factor authentication, you can choose to do any of those things that you will. So basically that's that's about that for this was very website. So let's go back to the user part. So let's say you want to send a user wants to transfer fund to a particular beneficiary of Bank of America. All they have to do is click on the bank, select the beneficiary, then put the amounts. You can see you can put your option. Let's transfer, then you can send fund. As you can see, transfer was successful. So you can do transfer again if you want to. So it depends on what, even the wire transfer also works. So you come here, just put the amounts, everything is automatically filled because I have made some transfer before. So after filling details, what we're going to do, we can choose to leave this purpose of transfer. Let's put test. It's optional. After that, just click on the send. So as you can see, so the thing is, it has let's come out to dashboard for instance first. So you have what's your notification, whereby you can see everything that is what's happening on your on the website for the user. So once you go to the admin part now, if you go back to the home page, that's dashboard. So we can come here and see what everything that just what's happened. You see, you can say okay, wire transfer request from test user. So we can approve this. As you can see, wire transfer, you can check, then you accept or you reject based on how you want it to be. So basically that's some of the features of this banking website. So you have other wonderful things that you can explore on this website. So what I'll be doing next is, you also have bill management, you have your loan. Okay, let me just go through this loan for a moment. So for the loan, a user can actually request for a loan. Let's go back to the user. So okay, let's drop this. A user can actually request for a loan. Simply come here and click on the loan and request for loan. So the minimum is 1,000. Let's put 1,000. Apply. So business, because this is a business loan. So the thing about this loan is the admin has the privilege of setting the kind of loan or how they want the loan to actually be. So this one is just a demo loan. Once you go to loan, you can see you can add as many loan as possible. As you can see, so that's that for the loan. So let's just click on this. Let's upload something here, anything. Let's apply now. As you can see, it's waiting review. So we can come back here and go to loan request. So what you can do, actually, you can come here and approve this loan. Just review it. So you can view the loan and check everything. So let's check the certificate that was submitted. So this is it. So we can see if it's what we want. So if it's okay, you can approve the loan. As you can see, loan has been approved successfully. So once you come back here now, let's reload this. As you can see, the loan is currently running. So you can view the loan details. As you can see everything. So this is how the user is going to make payments. So the thing about this loan is done automatically. That means the payments of the loan will be done by the system automatically without having to make payments manually. So I'll show you how to set up the automatic payment stuff when we are uploading or when we are creating this website. So having said that, I hope you understood everything we just talked about, how to use this beautiful online banking website. As you can see, say your loan will be closed on 17 December 2024, blah blah blah, and all of that. So let's go straight up to learning how to create this thing. Okay guys, so what we're doing next is we'll be uploading our our script to our website, so we'll be able to visit our website anywhere. So what we'll do is we'll come straight up to our cPanel and upload our script. So this is my cPanel. So I'll go down to where I have my file manager, click on my file manager. So currently I have a lot of files there, so probably you're having a new cPanel, the files there might not be as much as this. So for me, I want to actually upload my scripts in a subdomain, not in public underscore HTML. So for you, you can upload yours in the public underscore HTML, which is fine, but for me, I'll be uploading my own here. So I already have something here, but it doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do is click on the upload, and take me here. Then I'm going to upload my file now, which is this. So I'm going to upload this file. So this is uploading. So let me go straight up to my okay, let me open my cPanel again. So what I want to do next is I want to create a database to connect my website to the database, so I'll be able to store the user data and also the admin data. So I'll go with the database manager. So let me just call this Swift Bank. So I'm going to copy this just to so I can use it later. So I'll paste that stuff still here, then I'll just copy this. This should be my password and my password. Then I save. I'll create the user. Then don't save. Give up privileges. Then make changes. So what I'm going to do next is we are going to import our file now. So let's go back to our cPanel, then go to PHP MyAdmin. So once you get to PHP MyAdmin, we are going to click on the words on the Swift Bank we just created, then what import. Then so we are going to import our database now. So this is my database. I import it, then I would click on the import. So after my database has successfully imported. So let me check the file. Okay, as you can see, it has finished uploading. So I'll do next is I come here and reload this. So as you can see, we have this here. Then I'm going to extract this now. So I'm extracting this. So I've extracted that. So let me just copy. Okay, before I copy everything, let me just edit my .env file. So I'm going to paste that here. Paste that here. Paste that here. I would save. So after doing so, I can now come here. Let me just visit my website /main. So as you can see, this is what my website is live. So I can choose to log in now because I already have a user. Okay, this is not what I have. I have this user here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah. So as you can see, that's what we have here. So what we can do is you can change this name and the image to what you want. So for us to do so, let me log out of this user and log into the admin now. To the admin. Then the admin is this, not this, this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then let me log in. So this is the admin. So what I can do is I can change the name of this stuff. Can come here and we'll change the site name. So we can change it to any bank. Let me just do this and let's come back here, and I'm going to save this. So let's open a new tab, and let's open this in a new tab. and just move the admin. As you can see here, the name here what I've changed, name here have changed, so I can also change this and change every other thing just as I want it. So basically that's what how to get this beautiful script, as to use this beautiful script. So another thing we're going to do is we are going to set up the cron job now. So let's go back to our cPanel. So we're going to set up the cron jobs. So let's give it a command every 5 minutes is okay. So we're going to put the command there. So the command is inside this place here. So this is what we are going to copy and paste there. We paste it there, but the difference is we are going to put our site URL, which is this. Actually start from the main. Okay, let me just put just this, because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move my file from the main folder to my main directory. That's my working directory. So I'm going to replace that with this, and like so. I'm going to add the cron job, so that has been set already. So what I will do next is I'll come back to my work here. You know, everything is inside the main, right? So I'm going to remove everything from my main and move them straight up to my main directory, my working directory. So I'm going to move them here. So then I'll come and remove this now. It should be like this, as you can see. So no /main anymore. So basically that's how you use this script. So what I'll do next is I'll put a link in the description of this video, so you can get access to this script, and you'll be able to use it on your own platform. So basically that's how you set up this beautiful website. So if this video was educative and informative, I'll encourage you to click the subscription button and also the like button, so that person can get access to this very video. So thank you. I'll see you on our tutorial. I'll show you how to do wonderful things.